Welcome to Softworld India's YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll get to know about the SwilERP setup and the installation process. Firstly, we will open the SwilERP website. Here you will see many options in the upper side of the page. In this case, you can download the setup of the SwilERP for desktop by clicking on the free download option. Let me tell you that apart from SwilERP, you can also download the free setup for Retail Graph and Unisolve. Retail Graph can be used for all types of distributions and retail chain business segments like departmental store, garment store, restaurant, etc. On the same side, Unisolve software is used for pharma distribution business. So here, while downloading SwilERP software for retail pharmacy stores, we will click on download free trial option. In this way, the pop-up window will open and we will fill in the form by filling in the first and last name along with the contact number. Then fill the email ID and company name. Now here you have to select your desktop Windows version from the selected version box. After selecting the country, state and city name, here CAPTCHA code will be generated. After filling the form, click on Submit button. In this way, the setup will be downloaded on your system. With this, we can open it from here. Now we'll double click on the setup file. In this way, a pop-up window will open, so we'll click on the Install button here. We will continue to click on Next button, then we'll click on Close. So in this way, the SwilERP software will be downloaded on your system. In this case, a pop-up window will open where we have to fill in the sign-up details. Then enter the name of your company or firm here. Here we will fill in the email ID and password as well. Let me tell you that the email ID and password you entered here will become your login ID and password, and you can also change it later according to you. Now confirm the password followed with mobile number. And now in business type, by default pharma retail will be selected. If you want to create demo data, then you will check mark on download demo data. And if you want to create default data, then you don't have to check mark on download demo data. Now click on Submit button. In this case, the database will be prepared. So then click on the Extract button. And the software will be installed in your system. Your login details will be shared on mentioned email ID in which you can start your work. Here you can edit user details by clicking on the user list in the administrative menu. Like we entered admin here as our login ID and password, then click on the Save button. So in such a situation, exit from the software and log in again. Then you can start your work on it. I hope you liked this video. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.